will be fine, okay? My name is Tatiana and I am a solution architect at Esri Ireland's professional services team. I've been working with Esri Ireland for 14 years. What drew me in was the opportunity to work with geographic information systems. I could apply my software development skills within the practice that was technically challenging and also globally relevant. I stayed with Esri Ireland for 14 years because technology keeps on evolving, and it was a chance for me to grow with it, contributing to all the projects that really make difference environmentally and globally. As a team, we deliver really complex challenges into sustainable solutions, projects that really help the customers to make informative decisions. The values that guided me through my career and its growth are motivation, the motivation for growth, and curiosity to learn. I've learned a lot, but there is more to learn, and this is what drives me. The impact that I would bring to Esri Ireland in the future is to continue building sustainable solutions using geographic information systems to bring value to our customers and resolve their challenges. Thanks very much. Thank you.